the student. They wake up a bit slower than the OnePlus 5. This young male is late for his 9 a.m. again. Fortunately, his phone gets a day's power in half an hour. He captures notes with the telephoto lens to get back to more important things. Here, he uses the portrait mode to snap a fellow student. He could use the 16-megapixel front camera to say hi to his friends back home. He makes excellent use of the expanded screenshot when a love rival threatens his dominance. He will use this to boast about winning the confrontation with his friends. The OnePlus 5 can suit any style he can think of, even if he goes commando. Oh dear, it looks like someone can't get it in. Thanks to the screen-off gesture, the party can start. Not quite yet. If he had used the notification slider, he could have prevented his mum's call from crashing the party to tell him to finish that essay. Back home, another screen-off gesture allows him to turn on his torch to help him find the right key. The reading mode will help take the strain off his eyes while working on that last-minute all-nighter, fueled on nothing but a mix of energy drinks, memes, and the crushing weight of that student loan. Ready to do it all over again. The OnePlus 5, now with a 10% student discount. Take that, student debt.